Sa buhay kong ito, marami akong mga naging pangarap. Minsan akong nangarap maging playwright, maging musiko, maging mahusay na abogado. Ang ilan sa mga pangarap na yon, alam kong posibleng hindi ko na mabigyan ng katuparan. Pero sa araw na ito, punong-puno ang aking puso at lubos ang aking kagalakan na maikasal sa taong aking pinakamamahal at sa taong pinangarap kong makasama habang buhay.
There are about 100 different things I love about you. Out of all those, what I'm most grateful for is that you make me want to take care of myself so I can be a better person and partner. You make me want to grow, you make me want to be hopeful and strong. For me, that is the best kind of love, the kind that makes you want to become your best self.
Ana, nais kong magpasalamat sa pagbibigay ng malawak na espasyo para mabigyan ko ng katuparan ang ilan sa mga pangarap ko. Maraming salamat sa pagmamahal sa akin sa mga panahong ang tanging mayroon lang ako ay mga pangarap at pag-asang balang araw matutupad ang mga ito.
I say this about a dozen times a day, sometimes even more. I love you. I realized I love you after barely a year of talking to you every day, and it takes way less time for people to want to be your friend.
Araw-araw akong nagpapasalamat sa Diyos na nakatagpo ako ng isang taong mapagmahal, mabuti, at may mabuting puso. Tinuruan mo ako kung paano maging mabuti at hanapin ang kabutihan sa iba. Higit lalo, tinuruan mo ako kung paano maging mabuti sa akin sa iyo. Salamat dahil sa maraming beses ng buhay ko, sa maraming kabiguan at alinlangan, ito ang paulit-ulit na sumagip sa akin.
The stars wake. Oh, I know this is where it all begins. Oh, 'cause we are where we're meant to be. Oh, and I will love you till the end. Every moment breathe it in, just to have you by my side. Oh, time after time, when I close my eyes to sleep, I will find you in my dreams for the rest of my life. Oh, time.
I promise to listen and constantly grow from the lessons we have yet to encounter. I promise to take care of you even more. I promise to make sure you feel heard and respected. I promise to love you the way you need me to. You will never be alone now that we have each other forever.
So let's run and never look back. Oh, I know that
Hector and Ana, hold on to the good things, the beautiful things that you've seen and experienced. in each other.
Love you till the end. Every moment breathe it in. Just to have you by my side. Oh, time after time. When I close my eyes to sleep, I will find you in my dreams for the rest of my life. Oh, time after time. Oh, time after time. Time after time.
Sa susunod na habang buhay at kung totoo man ang mga parallel universe, makakaasa kang ikaw pa rin ang pipiliin ko. Dahil gaya nga ng sabi sa isang kanta, ikaw ang nag-iisang tiyak sa 1,000 duda. Ana, ikaw ang magiging simula, gitna at dulo ng aking buhay. Mahal na mahal kita. Sa harap at tulong ng Diyos, pamilya at kaibigan, ito ang aking mga pangako.